Best budget drones. Are you looking for the best budget drones? In this video we will look at some of the best budget drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ryze Tello. Drone with camera, 2K HD FPV drone with brushless motor, altitude hold, gesture selfie, 1 key takeoff/landing, 3D flips, waypoint fly, 2 batteries, foldable mini drones for kids and beginners, black. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the DJI X60 drone, designed for kids, beginners, and drone enthusiasts alike. This compact, foldable mini drone combines cutting-edge features with user-friendly controls, making it perfect for first-time flyers and advanced hobbyists. Equipped with a high-quality 2K HD camera, the X60 captures stunning aerial photos and smooth videos, offering a crystal-clear FPV, first-person view, experience right on your smartphone via Wi-Fi connectivity. Powered by a durable brushless motor, the drone delivers stable flight, reduced noise, and extended lifespan. Features like altitude hold and optical flow positioning make hovering effortless, even for beginners, while 1 key takeoff and landing simplify flight control. Capture selfies with gesture control, perform exciting 3D flips, or plan your flight path with waypoint fly mode for precise navigation. The DJI X60 comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing extended flight time and uninterrupted fun. Its lightweight, foldable design allows easy portability, and the included carrying case keeps your drone and accessories organized and protected. The package includes the drone, battery, propellers, USB cable, and carrying case, everything you need to start flying immediately. Perfect for both kids and adults, this versatile drone encourages creativity, exploration, and outdoor adventure. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes, practicing your piloting skills, or enjoying a fun hobby with friends and family, the DJI X60 drone ensures a safe, exciting, and immersive flying experience every time. Weight, 5.12 ounces. Color, black. Skill level, beginner to advanced. Video resolution, 1080p. Number 2. Holy Stone HS440. Holy Stone HS440 foldable FPV drone with 1080p Wi-Fi camera for adult beginners and kids, voice gesture control. RC quadcopter with modular battery, auto hover, and carrying case. Experience the perfect blend of fun and functionality with the Holy Stone HS440 drone, designed for beginners, kids, and hobbyists looking to explore the skies. This sleek, foldable quadcopter comes with a high-definition 1080p Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial photos and smooth videos while enjoying a real-time FPV, first-person view, experience directly on your smartphone. The HS440 is packed with user-friendly features that make flying easy and enjoyable. Its auto-hover function, gyroscopic stabilization, and voice gesture controls let you capture creative shots effortlessly, while auto-landing ensures safe, stress-free operation even for first-time flyers. The foldable design and lightweight construction make it portable, perfect for outdoor adventures or travel. Equipped with a modular battery, the drone provides extended flight time, and the included carrying case keeps your drone and accessories organized and protected. The package contains the HS440 drone, remote controller, battery, USB charging cables, spare propellers, a small screwdriver, and a user manual, everything you need to start flying right away. Safety and convenience are priorities with the HS440, making it ideal for users aged 14 and up. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes, learning piloting skills, or enjoying a family hobby, this versatile drone delivers an engaging, reliable, and immersive flying experience. Color, white. Weight, 166 grams. Skill level, beginner. Video resolution, 1080p. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Special features, foldable, auto-landing, gyroscopic stabilization, long battery life. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera, under 249G, 62 minutes flight, 4 kilometers FPV transmission, brushless motor, auto return, lightweight and foldable drone for adult beginners, gray. Discover the ultimate aerial adventure with the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, designed for adult beginners who want professional-grade features in a lightweight, compact design. Weighing under 249 grams, this foldable drone is travel-friendly and easy to carry, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes wherever you go. Equipped with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera, it delivers stunning, ultra-clear videos and 12MP high-resolution photos, ensuring every shot is smooth and vibrant. The Atom SE comes with a powerful brushless motor and advanced GPS positioning, offering stable flight even in challenging conditions. Its beginner-friendly controls include auto-return, precise altitude hold, and one-key takeoff/landing, making it easy to operate while learning the basics of drone piloting. With 4 km FPV transmission, you can enjoy real-time, immersive flight experiences directly on your smartphone. Designed for extended adventures, the drone includes 2 batteries that provide up to 62 minutes of flight time, 31 minutes per battery. The package also features a remote control, spare propellers, data and adapter cables, micro/Type-C/Lightning, a screwdriver, and a portable handbag for safe storage and transport. Whether capturing cinematic videos, exploring new perspectives, or honing your flying skills, the Potensic Atom SE drone offers reliability, versatility, and high performance. Its foldable, lightweight design, combined with advanced features, ensures that every flight is smooth, safe, and exciting. Color, gray weight, 249G skill level, beginner video resolution, 4K still resolution, 12MP connectivity, Wi-Fi special features, 4 km FPV, brushless motor, auto-return, foldable, long flight time. Number 4. DJI Mini 2C. DJI Mini 4K drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249G, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 10 km video transmission, auto-return, wind resistance, intelligent flight, gray. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the DJI Mini 4K, a compact yet powerful drone designed for adults, beginners, and enthusiasts alike. Weighing under 249 grams, this regulation-friendly drone combines portability with professional-grade features, allowing you to capture stunning footage anywhere with ease. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and 3-axis gimbal stabilization, the Mini 4K delivers ultra-smooth, cinematic quality videos and sharp 12MP photos, even in challenging conditions. Experience long-range flight like never before with 10 km HD video transmission, providing real-time first-person view, FPV, directly to your smartphone. The drone features intelligent flight modes, auto-return, and precise GPS positioning, ensuring safe and stable operation for beginners while giving experienced flyers the control they need. Its level 5 wind resistance allows the Mini 4K to perform reliably even in breezy conditions, maintaining stability and smooth footage. Designed for convenience and extended flight time, the DJI Mini 4K comes with one intelligent flight battery, offering up to 31 minutes of continuous flight. The package includes the drone, DJI RC-N1C remote controller, multiple RC cables, Lightning, USB-C, and micro-USB, gimbal protector, propellers, screwdriver, spare screws, and USB-C data cable, everything needed to start flying right out of the box. Perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes, aerial selfies, or cinematic projects, the DJI Mini 4K combines lightweight portability, advanced technology, and intuitive controls, delivering a reliable, exciting, and immersive flying experience every time. Color, gray video resolution, 4K UHD still resolution, 12MP connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth skill level, beginner to advanced special features, 10 km HD video, 3-axis gimbal, auto-return, intelligent flight, wind resistant. Number 5. Ruko F11GIM2. Ruko F11GIM2 drone with 4K camera for adults, 64 minutes flight time, gimbal and EIS 4K camera, 5 km FPV transmission, GPS auto-return, foldable quadcopter, level 6 wind resistance, black. Experience professional-grade aerial photography with the Ruko F11GIM2 drone, designed for adults, beginners, and enthusiasts seeking long flight times and stable, high-quality footage. Equipped with a 4K camera with 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization (EIS), this drone captures ultra-clear videos and 8.3MP photos with minimal shake, ensuring cinematic quality results even in dynamic conditions. The F11GIM2 offers an impressive 64 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, allowing extended exploration and uninterrupted shooting sessions. Its 5 km digital video transmission provides a real-time first-person view, FPV, giving you complete control and immersive aerial perspectives. The integrated GPS supports auto-follow, one-button return, auto-landing, and precise positioning, making it beginner-friendly while offering advanced functionality for experienced pilots. Designed with portability in mind, the foldable, lightweight frame makes travel and storage effortless, and level 6 wind resistance ensures stable flights in moderate weather conditions. Whether capturing sweeping landscapes, tracking moving subjects, or exploring aerial photography for the first time, the F11GIM2 delivers reliable performance and stunning image quality. The package includes the drone, 2 intelligent batteries, carrying case, power cables, spare propellers, screws, an Allen wrench, and a user manual, everything you need for safe, convenient, and ready-to-fly operation. With extended flight time, advanced stabilization, and intuitive controls, the Ruko F11GIM2 drone makes aerial photography and adventure fun, easy, and professional-grade. Color, black video resolution, 4K still resolution, 8.3MP connectivity, USB skill level, all special features, FPV, gimbal and EIS, auto-follow, auto-return, foldable, long battery life, level 6 wind resistance.